Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the Tower Street Correctional Facility. It's a prison, maximum security prison in Jamaica. Now, we're on Elliston Road now in downtown Kingston. This might actually be central Kingston. And straight ahead at where you're going to use, that's the prison. There it is. I'm going to take a drive by. Now on the other side of this prison, we're going to drive down there, is the Port Royal Street. The government recently renovated that part of downtown Kingston. So persons were like, they need to move the prison, it's an eyesore. So the government is in the works trying to relocate this prison. They said it's going to cost $8 billion. So we decided to take a tour of the prison from this side. And it's on their agenda to move the prison, but it's not a project that's going to be done right now. But the good thing is, at least they have identified the need to move it. Also, the prison is very old. I don't think they're moving it specifically because of the renovations going on downtown, but I think it has more to do with the age of the prison. But it's a good time to do it. Everything will work together. So I'm not sure if they've actually found another location yet, but the figure of $8 billion was put out by the government. That's how much it would cost to move it. Alright, so now we're going to take a look at the Port Royal Street Revampment project, and you can see the prison from the other side. Okay, so this road we're going on to now is South Camp Road, and then South Camp Road will take us down to Port Royal Street. So this is South Camp Road. There's another road at the top, closer to Crossroads, and that's Camp Road. So persons often mix it up. Okay, on the right is Harbour Street, and then straight ahead, that's the Kingston Harbour. Alright, so this is the project that was recently done by the government. They fixed up this area, built a boardwalk. As you can see, it's a very nice 6-lane road. You have the boardwalk on the right where you can walk and fish, and very nicely done. But on the left now, that is the prison. So every time we made a video, people would say they need to move the prison, it's an eyesore. It really is. It doesn't fit down here anymore, but it's just the cost associated with building a new prison. But it's going to be done. It's just going to take some time. Alright, so we're now in the community of Raytown. And we are now on Mande Boulevard. It's either Norman Mande or Michael Mande Boulevard. I think it's Michael Mande Boulevard. And this is a road you would take to get to the Norman Mande International Airport if you're coming from downtown Kingston. And downtown Kingston, it's also on the Kingston Harbour extends from downtown Kingston all the way back to the Norman Mande International Airport, and it's a natural harbor. It's actually the 7th largest natural harbor in the world, so it's perfect for ships docking, and it's very, when you have a natural harbor, it's much easier for the ships to come in and dock. So you have a lot of docks on a natural harbor. And the largest port in Jamaica, the Kingston Container Terminal, is actually on Kingston Harbor. Then you have Jamaica Cement Company has a dock on the harbor. Jamaica Flour Mills, Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica. Basically, the harbor is very large. It goes all the way back to the airport. So this is now the Rockfort area. Alright, so if we go straight now, we go on to the Sir Florizel Glassbowl Boulevard, and if we turn left, we go on to Mountain View Avenue. No, sorry, Windward Road. So if we go straight, we would head towards the airport. So we're now on Windward Road, heading back towards Mountain View Avenue. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.